The Hummingbird MK17 DualPro Shaver stands out by letting you swap between a close foil shaver and a precise trimmer head, both using skin-friendly gold titanium cutting surfaces that feel like a professional barber tool at home. Its 3-speed motor with torque control has enough power to glide through dense beard growth without tugging, yet can be dialed down for more delicate areas where you want extra comfort. The solid metal body gives the shaver a reassuring weight and durability, making it feel far more premium and long-lasting than typical plastic groomers while still being easy to handle for head, face, and neck work. With a fully waterproof construction, you can comfortably use it with shaving cream in the shower and then rinse the entire unit under running water, which makes cleanup quick and hygienic. The bright digital display that shows remaining battery and motor speed, combined with a long cordless runtime and travel lock, makes this a very practical choice for daily use and frequent travel. The included guide combs, wireless charging dock, modern USB-C cable, and easily replaceable heads turn it into a complete grooming station rather than just another basic electric shaver.